Hi everyone and welcome to Creative Cakes by Sharon. It's almost back to school for lots of Aussie kids, so today I'm making a paint palette cake. To start with, I baked a nice 8-inch chocolate cake, divided it in half and filled the middle with some nice chocolate buttercream. Using a sharp knife, I cut out a basic oval shape for the paint palette, as well as that other little space that's left there to hold the paint palette with. Now that I've carved out my shape, I need to crumb coat the cake, and then once all the crumbs have been trapped, I can add another layer of frosting on top, making sure to smooth it out as much as possible. To help get into that little indent, I found that a small palette knife worked really well. Today I used white fondant to cover the cake, and once I smoothed out the top and sides, I used a small rolling pin to help get into the groove to smooth the fondant there. Then it was just a matter of trimming away all of the excess. I chose 6 pretty colours of fondant to use on my paint palette, and I'm going to bring this cake to life by adding a cute little face. Some big round eyes, eyelashes, a smiley mouth, and some pretty cheeks. Guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I create something fun into cake each week, so make sure you click on the subscribe button and be the first to see my new tutorials as I release them. I decided to add some rolled out black fondant around each of the paint spots just to make them stand out a little bit more. The paint palette isn't complete without a paintbrush, so I moulded the shape of a paintbrush using some ivory fondant and added some details to the bristles using a knife. And finally, using some edible petal dust, I added a little bit of shading to each paint spot and also used these to colour the brush. The finishing touch was added with a stroke of silver edible paint, and that's it. Pretty quick, simple and easy, fun cake to make. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you, and make sure you don't miss my next video by hitting that subscribe button now. I hope you tune in next time, and thanks for watching.